Since your birth, my heart smiled with excitement, witnessing your first crawls at just 13 cents. Through the inevitable ups and downs, I observed your resilience as you confidently hopped back on that bike and continued to ride that winding road called life. As you faced challenges, you pulled yourself together, demonstrating a strength and courage. Now, as you embark on the journey, I recognize that it's time for me to gracefully step back, allowing you the space to continue growing into the remarkable investment you have become. Now go, my son, and be the beacon of hope that you were born to be.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Gains and Blockchains, the only channel dedicated to keeping you informed and up to date with everything in the crypto space. Hi, my name is Ace, and what you just witnessed was a very touching montage of father and son and the trials and tribulations that they were forced to endure. And I'm sure there's many of us out there that can relate. Now, as we sit back and watch our boy take center stage and do what he was born to do best, the only question is, can he rise to the occasion? Can he meet the expectations? And the answer is yes. The answer is unequivocally yes. But for all the naysayers and all the no-gooders, all the doubters out there, I'm a big fan of facts and figures. So let's take a look at a chart that could actually show us the future of this ETF and the potentials of what we can expect. Let's take a look at the gold chart. As you can see, when gold had its ETF back in November 2004, sitting at just shy of a $2 trillion market cap, we exploded, guys. Look at this. We exploded. We literally moon mathed out of that gap, and we never came back, ever. Gold 7x its market cap from shy of 2 trillion to 14 trillion. Like, that is terrifying numbers, guys. That's insane. And just to think, Bitcoin has outperformed gold since its inception. Since the very birth of Bitcoin, it's outperformed gold in every single way. So does that mean it's going to 7x, 10x, 12x? Who knows? But what we do know that it could lazily do 7x based on its previous performance, right? This chart says it all. Look at what happened when the largest hard asset on earth had its ETF and what it became. Parabellum. It went to the moon. So, simple math. If Bitcoin just performs 7x, and funny enough, scarily enough, Bitcoin's market cap is sitting just shy of $2 trillion as well, at 1.8 trillion. So, I mean, history doesn't always repeat itself, but it sure does rhyme. And let's look at the facts, guys. 2 trillion for gold, 2 trillion for Bitcoin, 7x market cap, face melting, life-changing money. So I don't have to sit here and explain that to you, but I mean, wow, just wow. So if we missed out on that, the only question now is, what's the next move? You missed out on the big wave. I told you, no one took action. Some of you did. Some of you definitely did. And I'm proud of you guys. Congratulate yourself. But for those of us who missed out and just didn't jump on it, what's the next move, you might say? Well, that's an easy one. The next move would be the largest ecosystem in crypto, which is Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is the largest ecosystem and has the biggest movers in the space. Let's take a look at the Ethereum chart. As you can see, Ethereum has such a big ecosystem that it will take me about 5 to 6 times. It'll take me about 7 episodes to really break down everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand select the top ones in my portfolio and what I'm doing, and how I'm aggressively, trying to fill the void of my little Bitcoin taking off and, doing his thing, right? We could front run these institutions because, guys, as we both know, Grayscale, FanEck, Fidelity, BlackRock, ARK Invest, Bitwise, Hashdex, Invesco, just to name a few. This is 11 institutions that have gotten qualified for the spot ETF. So, it's easy to see, like, the institutions are now going to launch a sales marketing team to sell and sell aggressively to all their customers now because the approval is secured. The race for the number one spot begins. There was 11 institutional ETFs that got approved, but only 3 to 5 will survive the fight for dominance. And that is a very beautiful thing for us. So, for everybody who was already in the space and already front ran these institutions, we're good. But for those who missed out, this is the move, guys. This is the move. This is your next chance to catch and capitalize on this next big move and put yourself in a very conducive space, which is this ETF. So let's look at stuff like Arbitrum. Actually, Arbitrum is a very, very good project, but it's already pumped like 400%. So it's not going to be, it's good. You'll still make good money, but I'm trying to give you the juice, the big boys. So let's look at stuff like Lido, Matic, Sand, Pepe. We got Optimism. We got Axie Infinity. We got The Graph. We got Compound, guys. Immutable X. Oh my God. We got Sushi Swap. We got Uniswap. And we have Pancake Swap. So these are all the big boys that I would recommend. You get in, you get in now. These are cheap. These are affordable. And when they move, that's where the life-changing money comes in. So, guys, if you made it this far, please do us a favor, help the channel out, hit the like button, share this with people that you think might want to know this and might want to put themselves in a very conducive place to financially change their life and their situation. Please help us out. Hit the like button. That's the only thing you can do for the channel to really help us out, help you make money, and it doesn't cost you a thing. All right, moving on. So, now that we know Ethereum is the next big move, when should we take action? Well, we should take action right now, because right now, the minute Bitcoin had its ETF, the minute Bitcoin kicked through the door, waving that 4-4, making room for all the other guys in the space, the king of crypto, my big boy. As soon as he did that, Ethereum already started to, look at the Ethereum chart. Ethereum already started to rocket. We're starting to see Ethereum perform like it's never done before. Why? Because now the money is pouring into Ethereum. Now, all the people, everybody that's missed out on Bitcoin, now all the retail money is running in, pouring into Ethereum and filling up their bags to try to front run these institutions, because the next one up is ETH. We could expect a spot ETF by April, easily. And with the halving coming up, guys, it's a perfect storm, the perfect storm. So do yourself a favor, check out this next video, and make sure that you put yourself in a position to win. Take control of your financial future, guys, not now, but right now.